Good morning, students. Today, in this lecture, we are going to talk about the issue of debenture as collateral security. Issue of debenture as collateral security. Friend, sometime when company takes loan from bank or any third party, company may have to issue debentures as a secondary security. No doubt, normally company are giving some assets, mortgaging some asset as a principal security, and in addition to principal security, sometimes it may issue debentures as a secondary security to the bank or that loan provider. This is known as issue of debentures as collateral security. Okay. Now what happens if company makes repayment of loan in time? Bank return the debenture issued by company to them and company will cancel them. And if suppose company fails to pay the debentures, means company fails to pay the loan, then they will recover that loan from the principal security, or if the principal security is not enough to recover the entire amount of loan along with interest, then they may sell out the debentures in the market and recover their amount. But if company pay the loan on time, then it's not an issue, they return it back. Okay, so when debentures are issued as a collateral, as a security against loan, it is known as debentures as collateral security. Now friends, if we talk about accounting treatment, so there are two types of accounting treatment. One, there is no entry is passed for the issue of debentures, only entry is passed for bank loan, and that entry will be bank account debit to bank loan account. Only debenture are shown in the balance sheet. And second, entry is passed for the debenture along with the loan. So two entries are passed. One entry is passed for loan, that is bank account debit to bank loan account, and second entry is passed for issue of debentures, that is debenture suspense account debit to debentures account. Let us talk about both the condition one by one. First of all, let us see what is issue of debenture as collateral security. When a company takes a loan from bank or from some other party, the company may have to issue debentures as a subsidiary or secondary security in addition to principal security. The debentures so issued are known as debenture issued as collateral security. If the company repays its due to the bank in right time, the bank will return the debentures to company, and the debenture received this way are cancelled by the company, as we have discussed. However, if the company fails to repay the amount of loan or interest on this in proper time, then the lender will first realize the debt from principal security. But if the full amount of debt is not realized from the principal security, then lender may claim all the rights of debenture holders on the debenture received as a secondary security. It means lender can recover balance amount from the sale of debenture. two types of treatment. First, when no entry is passed for debentures. Debentures given to bank as a security are only for the safety of loan. No entry is passed for issue of debentures in the books of account. Entry is passed only for bank loan, and that entry will be bank account debit to bank loan account. On the equity and liability side of the balance sheet, it is shown under long term borrowing under the main heading of non current liability. So the loan which is taken is shown as a non current liability. It is shown under the head of long term borrowing under the main heading of non current liability. And moreover, that debentures, as no entry is passed, so debentures amount is not added, but in information, as a information inside the balance sheet only, it is mentioned that so these many debentures are issued against loan as a collateral security. Secondly, second type, when entry is passed for debentures, in that case two entries are passed. One entry is passed for bank loan, as usual bank account debit to bank loan account, and second entry is passed for the debentures, which is debenture suspense account debit to debentures account. Here in the balance sheet, debenture suspense account will be shown as a deduction from the debenture account on equity and liability side. As and when the loan is repaid, the company, then bank will return all the debentures to the company, and this debentures will be cancelled by the company. Entry passed above is reverse, that is, when debenture are issued, debenture suspense account debit to debentures account, and when loan payment is done, then debentures account debit to debenture suspense account. So friends, this is how the accounting treatment is done when debentures are issued as collateral security. In next lecture we will be doing practical sums about this. Okay, thank you.